Hi guys, I'm CA Gitika Bajaj, QuickBooks Pro Advisor, and today we're going to learn about estimates in QuickBooks Online. Now basically, why are estimates needed? Basically, when you send a quotation to a customer, okay, and when he accepts that quotation, then you're going to invoice him. So till then, it is actually not a financial transaction, but QuickBooks helps you to record that and not affect the financial statements as well. So that is basically an estimate. And secondly, estimates are also useful in progress invoicing. That means if you have a long job and you have created an invoice for $10,000 and you can create out of those $10,000 estimate partial invoices. So that's also called progress invoicing in QuickBooks. So let's get started. Okay. So what we have to do is click on plus new and click on estimate. Choose a custom red wolf. Okay, and what you can do is select any product service, maybe this one, XYX. Okay, and ABC. Okay, and the amount will be 5,000, 10,000. Okay, so this is it, and you can save it. Okay, now what you have to note is currently it is pending. Why? Because it has not been accepted and converted to an invoice. Once it is converted to an invoice, if you click on create invoice here, the status becomes accepted automatically. Okay, and pending, accepted, closed. Closed is generally when you have created the estimate in full. Out of $10,000, suppose, of estimate, you have made the invoices of $10,000, then QuickBooks changes the status to closed, and rejected is when the quotation is rejected. Okay, so let's get started. Now we have made this, and what we're going to do is we're going to create an invoice against it. Suppose we have sent it. Now you can send it via QuickBooks via here, or you can just mail it personally as well from your personal ID, and once you've received the confirmation, you'll create the invoice. Okay, now it asks three ways. First is whether you want to create an estimate of all, you say yes, and whether you want to create a 50% or any percentage you can enter of each item, you can say that, and currently we'll be going with custom amount for each line. So what we're going to do is out of 5,000, suppose we're creating of 2,500, and currently if we don't want to bill anything for ABC, okay, so what we're going to do is we're going to delete it, okay, and make sure you do this as 0 here as well. Now this ABC product will not be displayed in the product and service. Now if you don't use this, because it will create a hassle when we produce the reports afterwards, so just follow this method, it will be better. And what you have to do is just save it. Okay, now here comes the fun part. You click let's check the reports. You click to estimates, estimates by customer, and estimates and progress invoicing summary. These two reports are available. Let me first show you the estimates by customer. So basically this is the estimates report, and which can be shown, the number, the status. Okay, it's accepted. Why? Because we've created an invoice against the same. Now estimate and progress invoicing. Now what we have to do is, let's see the red wolf one. See, the number is this, the status is accepted, the amount was $15,000, and the invoiced amount is 2,500. So it shows the percentage, okay, and what's the remaining amount. So this is how estimates to invoice comparison report is very useful. Okay, here, and if it's rejected here, it will show as rejected. If it's closed, that means 100% invoice, it will show as closed as well. Now I think so, I hope you like the video. Now just one thing, that if you reject any estimate, it won't be shown in the estimate list, okay, but it will be shown in the estimates to invoice report. So I think so you like the video, and do let me know how do you find it in the comment section below, and yes, don't forget to subscribe.